somebody just asked me, why don't you just pay somebody to do it? And I was like, long story. So if you're like me, you can probably relate. You probably paid somebody to do something for you and probably got burned. Not once, not twice, not three times, not four times, but at least five times in your life. Hit a comment down below if you relate to this, but another Monday night vlog, one take, raw thoughts off the dome with it, unedited, unscripted. And recent conversations from the last week got me reflecting. Man, I got trust issues. Got trust issues in entrepreneurship, business, working with people. I got scammed the other day, but I don't even want to say scammed. Some people are con artists. Some people are like really, really gifted in the art of persuasion. And I respect the game to the degree where it's like, I like sales, right? I don't think it's cool to take advantage of people and literally just get them to send you money and then you deliver zero or you ghost them. That happens once in a while. It's I want to say it's inevitable. Um, and what it does to you, right? It makes you, I don't want to say it makes you bitter, but it makes you more cautious, and then it could prevent you from going after real opportunities that are not a scam, right? Um, but when you just been taken advantage of back to back to back, or people like view your kindness as weakness, or they just tell you literally everything you want to hear. So if you guys want to know how I got literally 48 hours ago, um, it was like a cold call, which I don't pick up numbers that are not on my schedule. Um, but this person was persistent, I guess. I don't know. But I was like, who's this? Right? Because same time I do be getting referrals. Right. I know what you're thinking. Like, why are you working? Why are you manning the phones in your own business? Right. Now I'm really hands-on. Not that's not a flex to be hands-on in your business, but um again, trust issues. Had somebody, trust issues, right? So, anyways, so it works like this, right? I'm on the call with this guy, promises the world, presents a really great deal, like a really good deal. And it was like, I want to say for what he was offering, the value proposition, how he was well spoken, how he presented himself, even showing up on the Zoom, right? Um, he just checked off a lot of boxes. And then he told me what it would take to get this done, right? Literally everything that I wanted to hear, everything. So I was like, it's like in the back of my mind, I'm like, take my money, like let's get started yesterday. Let's just do this. Like, the vibes is there, right? He didn't deliver on anything and he went ghost. Okay. That's a long story short. Um, the thing is, the price was low enough for me to not hesitate, not like procrastinate. Because I hate when I'm talking to somebody, like let's say a lead or a potential client, and they have some sort of um objection towards the price maybe or something, or but something it's fairly affordable. When I say affordable, I mean we're all grown adults here. We know what affordable means. Like it might you might feel it a little bit, but I'm talking like three of these. Lunch money, anything lunch money times four is affordable. Like if you can skip lunch four times, you can afford it and just pay it. If it, you know what I mean. That's what I mean. Like little $50, little $200. Some there. That's what I mean by affordable. Doesn't mean though. Just doesn't mean. Doesn't necessarily mean throw money away at things. You know, a handful of school communities I'm subscribed to, right? I've been clicking away at things when it comes to AI and building these subscriptions, Higgsfield and this other one, Notice, and like stuff for Claude and all of that stuff, right? What I'm saying is the price was low enough for me not to waste time and show that I'm serious and show the universe that is paying attention at all times that I take my business seriously. I'm willing to invest, and I don't want to question that guy's integrity. And I had the wrong judgment call, but he went completely ghost unless or tornado came and visited his property immediately after we spoke, and he just doesn't have Wi-Fi right now. But I haven't heard from the guy. Anyways, I'm not gonna let him get all the shine in this video. Make it brief. Um that happens, and I call those con men. They're they invoke the confidence out of you to get that bread. All right. Probably should have made this video before I took my hair out, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, I'll be looking crazy on these. Anyways, what I'm saying is there's that, and then there's the part where you're craving you're craving some direction from somebody that's smarter than you. You're looking in the and if you don't feel guilty if you haven't found it by now if you're watching this, but it's just like you're like, well, the information's out there. I can chat GPT myself to death and find the actual information, but it's the implementation. And then most people nowadays, you know how it goes. Like you invest into their program, right? They tell you all the features, the bells and whistles, and what you're going to gain, and you're looking for this monetary gain. But then at the end of it, it's just like if it doesn't work out, then two things happen. It's either your fault or you didn't implement something right, you didn't do your homework. We all know that. That's like old school. That's the original playbook or whatever. But there's a point where in business you don't have a choice. You still have to invest and you have to find out. You have to see what's behind the curtain, even if you're risking all your money. Well, not all your money. Hopefully, you're never spending all your money in one spot or opportunity to grow and scale your business. But long story short, this is just my raw thoughts. Um, expressing like, dang, how bad can having trust issues in business really hold you back from making those key decisions that will actually help you grow and scale? Um, when I do business, I treat people how I want to be treated. That's why I even sent that guy some funds without really, requ- without really forcing him to send me what I needed to see. Right? What I paid for was like a list. Um, but I didn't ask to see the list. He just had very excellent vocabulary, the way he carried himself, and the way he spoke about the business, this industry. I know the language. He spoke my language, but it wasn't legit, right? So it's one of those things. Sometimes you need something to believe in. Sometimes you need something to look forward to. Sometimes you just need something. And then you could, like, even a few months ago, had a great opportunity as well, where that person sort of had proof, but it's like the proof was, it was like cool, as much proof as they can send. But it was just like the idea of forcing people to just show you, let's just show me. Like, you say you can do XYZ, show me. And why, and then what's the win-win situation here? That's something I'll probably leave in the next video. Just show me. Like if I have no problem showing you my credit score, even though it went down today because I paid off another auto loan, right? If I have no problem like logging in to my like credit report at any given moment and really just showing my credit score. Oh, now it doesn't want to work. That's funny. No, I'm gonna do this. I don't care. like showing that my scores are in the 800 or showing that I am making money within my company, I can show you what I'm able to help you with based on where you're at, right? But I can't really show you something that's just not true. Right? Okay, yeah, I definitely lost some points. All right, guys, don't judge me. I bet you. Okay, don't judge me. I'm a little embarrassed right now. I'm a little embarrassed. So we got 825 down 4 points today because I paid off auto loan. And my only auto loan is on the business side now. Ouch. Oh, and I think I applied for something. I don't know. But like that. Same way. And I'm working my way towards working up the nerve to just ask anybody that I want to learn from, show me your bank account, bro. The only other person that suggest doing this, that has said it out loud, is Grant Cardone. He's like, somebody somebody says they got $1 billion. Shit. Show me. Like, I wanna see that shit. It's just numbers on a screen, right? It's just numbers on a screen. Now I would not be showing my bank account. But I don't mind. I've done it before, honestly. Um, but that's, you know, in context if somebody wants to work with me and they're actually serious. And also, right? Because that's a little bit different, right? It's like, do you have the balls to ask somebody like, yeah, show me, put your money where your mouth is. Like, show me the money. Okay, cool. But there are some skeptics out there, right? Like I can show you deletions, like, Delete King, right? I can literally, okay, let's check that. So, got a results folder, daily results, right? So delete, and I'm gonna make a chat too. I'll probably put in the link in this description, right? Let's say we got results. This is from 4 p.m. Uh, been in the system a few months now. Been like, let me see. Let me. I want to read y'all a good one. Want to read y'all a good one. Starting. Okay. No, I'm reading y'all a good one. That's the last result. 22 items deleted. Oh, snap. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. 6 months. So days in the system, 180. Um, Number of inquiries, 38. That's what he started with. Remaining inquiries, 12. Okay. Been in the system a while. And there's other factors because, accounts can get added back. Accounts can get added back. Okay, we got a good one. 76 days. Should I post these screenshots? Maybe, right? So 40 negative items and 22 remaining, right? Not exposing anybody's information, but typically everybody's familiar with this software, right? Everybody's familiar with this software. It's like the proof, right? It's like the proof, like deletions are happening, that is dated. It would take a lot of time and energy to like Photoshop all of this, but the things that people understand a little bit easier and simpler are just scores, right? Simply scores. Boom, and I'll show you guys one example. So this is what I mean. The people that you're working with, are they able to just show you scores, right? Trust issues. So, and these can be photoshopped as well, but this is what most people sort of recognize online. Scores going up and green numbers showing the improvements. So I had to like crop out that person's name, but they're up 33 points, up 32, all of that, helping people get the results they deserve. Anyways, it's not Monday, to be honest, but we are still dropping content. I'll make another video about how you solve one problem and 5 more pop up, because that's kind of what happened last week. Happens every day, but hey, lifestyle of entrepreneur. Appreciate you watching this. Like, subscribe, tune into the next one.